This local forecast has been brought to you by Ricola, fast-acting relief for your worst coughs.
The 13th. Wherever you are, get a precise weather forecast by activating your location in the Weather Network app.
Beyond the weather and go deeper on the stories that matter to you with experts who know.
And this is probably some of the highest snowfall rates I think I've ever seen.
Join us weekday mornings at 23 past the hour on the Weather Network.
Get off that couch and come to Old Navy for holiday styles and steals.
Bills are topping, spread the word, prices dropping, meet the styles that slay. So get on your way, stop by your Old Navy store today.
Salon Paws, makers of effective pain relief patches for 89 years, believes in continuous improvement, like rounded corners that resist peeling, with an array of active ingredients and sizes to relieve your pain. Salon Paws, it's good medicine.
Nutty and sweet latte macchiato. This one's for the prize?
Intenso.
No. Cool. Definitely iced. Sweet. Bye!
Nespresso. What else?
Ricola High Menthol, a liquid center with powerful menthol wrapped in Swiss nature for fastest throat relief.
Sorry that the audio didn't match this commercial well, because I sped it up, and it's because I did not want to get copyrighted. So basically, the Kitchener feed is somehow available also in Kitchener, Kincardine, Ripley, Lucknow, Teeswater, and Tiverton, and Chepstow and Cargill for some reason, because they get the same feed.
You're watching Canada's Weather Network. To help you plan your activities in the coming days, here are the forecasts for your area.
Well, that was it for the Kitchener feed of the Weather Network on Rogers.